Dog.
Ew!
Do it again.
We're taking a funny one.
Did you just say we're
What?
I'm gonna vomit. You just ate a raw pig.
I like eating hot dogs cold.
No.
Ew!
You're gonna get a disease.
They're good.
I feel
I'm gonna vomit.
like my mouth is growing an animal.
Be in the pool. We're right.
How can you? Isn't that unhealthy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't there like bacteria?
Yeah, isn't there bacteria in cookie dough? Do you eat it anyway?
I eat that.
Yeah.
I do. Well, the cookie dough isn't supposed. Well, it's
It's not an animal part.
Yeah.
So?
It didn't come from a being.
There's no like
Butthole.
bloody
There's
stuff in it.
tapeworms going through
Yeah.
Seriously.
cookie dough.
Good point. She's like, oh my god, no.
They didn't make cookie dough off something that once used to shit and then put it in a package.